The AI stack that every solo founder should use in 2025. Solo founders are shipping faster than the 10-person startups, building products that compete with multi-million-dollar companies from their bedrooms. With $200 a month in AI tools, the playing field isn't leveled anymore, it's actually completely flipped. Here is the exact stack that is letting the one-person companies flourish in this world. First, we have Cursor AI for coding. It's not GitHub Copilot. It's Cursor. So it doesn't just auto-complete codes, it builds entire features from descriptions. So if you put add Stripe payments with subscription tiers, it will do that. Fully implemented. What would take the developer to do in days, Cursor gets it done in minutes for about $20 a month. There's a guy out there named Tom who built a 30K MRR SaaS in 6 weeks. Never hired a developer, just talked to Cursor like it was a CTO. And then it built the entire backend, the API, the database structure, and all of it was AI generated. He has competitors that have engineer teams, but Tom, he just had a subscription to Cursor. So next we have Framer. Framer is more so for the website builders, all right? So forget about WordPress or Webflow or whatever else you use. Framer's AI builds and publishes websites from text prompts. If you put in modern SaaS landing page with pricing table and testimonials, it's going to generate it instantaneously. Fully responsive, SEO optimized as well. Only for $30 a month. Solo founders are launching new landing pages daily, testing different messaging and different designs. And what used to take about a few weeks with a designer now only takes about 10 minutes. A/B testing everything you need. What used to take a designer now takes 10 minutes using Frame. Next we have V0 by Vercel, which is more so for the UI component. If you need a dashboard or a customer service portal, or if you need an analytics page, all you have to do is describe it and V0 will generate the React code. Copy, paste, and deploy it. And that's it. Free tier handles most of what the founders do. Now for customer support, the next AI we have is chat-based. Train it on your docs, your FAQs, your previous tickets, etc. And it's gonna handle 80% of customers' questions. The other 20%, you handle those personally. Customers think you're super responsive, but really it's the AI doing the heavy lifting for only about $19 a month. When it comes to marketing, it's gonna run on Typefully and Buffer. Now Typefully's AI writes tweets and LinkedIn posts in your voice. Buffer schedules them across all platforms. You spend Sunday afternoon generating a month of content, then forget about it, and that's gonna be about $30 a month combined. When it comes to design assets, we have Midjourney and we have Photo Room. Now Midjourney is for illustration, logos, hero images, and you got Photo Room, and Photo Room is to remove backgrounds and create product mockups, and this in total will cost about $20 a month. And next up we have Zapier. All right, it's connecting everything together. Customer signups, adds to email lists, sends onboarding sequence, creates support ticket if they have any issues, notifies you on Slack, full automation, and it's only about $30 a month. All right, so here's what it looks like in practice. Let's say that you launch a online course platform, right? Cursor will build the app, Framer will make the landing page, V0 is going to create the student dashboard, Chat-based is going to handle all the support. Typefully is going to manage social media and is going to generate a 6-figure revenue with 0 employees. The math is crazy. You're gonna have a 15K burn rate minimum. That's including the salaries, the office tools, supplies, etc. Now a solo founder with AI is gonna be about $200 a month and has the same output. Sometimes it's better because there's no communication overhead. So these workers work differently too as well. They ship on the daily, they test everything, it kills what doesn't work. There's no meetings about meetings, no consensus building, just rapid iterations with AI as their team. So the pattern is always the same. You're going to build fast with Cursor. You're going to launch pretty with Framer. You're going to support smart with chat-based. You're going to market consistently with Typefully, and you're going to scale cheap with automation. So let's say that you want to start tomorrow, right? Here's what you do on day 1. Set up and sign up for Cursor and Framer and build your MVP in a weekend. Launch on Monday, get your first customers on Tuesday, and iterate based on feedback on Wednesday. Now that's not unrealistic. That's really what's happening every week. The era of needing co-founders and employees and venture capitals and all those things to build a tech company is actually dead. One person with the right AI stack is more dangerous than a fully funded startup. And they're everywhere, building quietly and shipping constantly. Your competition really isn't other startups anymore. It's some random person with Wi-Fi and a credit card, and they're probably using these exact same tools.